Jai Bharat, dear students. Today we will start our chapter number 1, that is Windows 7, working with files and folders. Okay, so we'll read that dialog boxes. Dear teacher, what is a file and folder? Where can we save a file in our computer? We want to learn about them. Now teacher is saying, okay students, now we will learn about the files and folders in a computer and working with them. We'll read that introduction paragraph. Okay, when we open a computer, when we open a program in a computer, it is loaded in computer's memory. Okay, it means everyone's know how to start a computer. Yes, how to start a computer. Okay, let me tell you. First of all, we have to on main switch button, right? Then we have to switch on the CPU, right? And then monitor. If your computer is connected to the UPS machine, then after switching on the main switch button, we have to power on the CPU, right? Sorry, UPS machine button. Okay, so whatever programs you will open on the computer, that is already saved in your computer memory. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे कि आप लोगों ने कोई भी फाइल या फिर पिक्चर्स ओपन किया है कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पे, तो वो सेव रहता है कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में. ओके, ऑल द वर्क वी डू विद द प्रोग्राम रिमेन्स इन द मेमोरी. जो भी आप काम करोगे वो कंप्यूटर के मेमोरी में सेव रहेगा. इफ़ द कंप्यूटर इज शट डाउन, ऑल आवर वर्क इन द मेमोरी विल बी लॉस्ट. ठीक है, अगर आप काम कर रहे होंगे विदाउट सेविंग दैट फाइल एंड फोल्डर, एंड indirectly or directly your computer is get shut down, so whatever work you have completed, that will be lost. Okay, so we have to save our files. Therefore it is important to save our work in the computer permanently. Our work is used in the computer in the form of a computer file. जो भी काम आप लोग कंप्यूटर पे करोगे एज अ फाइल, इट विल सेव इन योर कंप्यूटर. ओके, नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर वी और you shall learn about concept of creating and saving the files. This whole lesson is about how to create and how to save the files and folders. Okay, now first of all let us see what is a file. File का मतलब क्या है? File can be any document, any PDF file, any paragraph file, any picture file, okay, any movie file. Okay, a file stores our work in the computer. Generally the files are saved on the computer hard disk. Okay, जो फाइल रहती है वो कंप्यूटर, जो हम लोग काम करते हैं कंप्यूटर पे, दैट कैन बी कॉल्ड अ फाइल. ओके, एंड इट ऑटोमेटिकली सेव इन योर कंप्यूटर्स हार्ड डिस्क. So they can be saved on the other storage devices also, such as pen drive, a CD or DVD. अगर आप लोगों ने external devices ऐड किए हैं, कनेक्ट किए हैं CPU को, it can be a pen drive, CD or DVD drive. So your data will be saved in that devices. Okay, now we'll see there are different types of files. We'll see some examples there. If you click a picture of your friend, then it is saved as a image or graphics file. आपने आपके friend की कोई picture ली है, तो वो picture you can see as a file. Okay, as a picture file, or you can say as a graphic file. Okay, next point is, if you record your voice in the computer, then you save it as an audio file. जो आपने अपना voice record किया है in a computer, when you will store it, so it can be a audio file. उसको कहेंगे audio file. ठीक है. Third point is, if you shoot a video of your birthday party, then it is saved as a video file. Okay, whatever video you will shoot on your mobile phone, or you will save it in your computer, right? So that file can be a video file. Understanding, children? Yes, we will move ahead. Each file is given a file name which is useful to identify it. Every file name has primary name, which is the first name of a file given by the user. जो आप पहले नाम देंगे फाइल को, that can be called as a primary name of that file, which you will save first time in your computer memory. Okay, now the second point is about secondary name. which is the extension of the file like docs, .docx. This extension we gives for the Word document file. .jpg, it is a picture file format. मतलब आप लोगों को कोई picture save करना है, so you can use this secondary name, that is .jpg etc. It is given by the program where it is created. जहाँ पे आप लोग उसको create करोगे वो वहाँ का प्रोग्राम और उसको फाइल फॉर्मेट के साथ सेव करना है. प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी नेम्स आर सेपरेटेड बाय अ डॉट. ठीक है, प्राइमरी मेमोरी एंड सेकेंडरी मेमोरी वो सेपरेट हो जाते हैं आफ्टर पुटिंग अ डॉट इन बिटवीन गिविंग फाइल नेम्स. ओके, next point is you can see there is one table, some common file types, secondary name and file type. txt means text file, docx, that can be a ms word files, exe executable program file, mp3 and wave audio files, mp4 and avi audio video files, and jpg, png and gif, that is image or pictures file. Okay, so these are the some common file types where you will get differences, secondary name and file type. Okay, if you will not understand by taking the name txt, .docx, .exe, .mp3, .mp4, .jpg, so you can see their file types which is given beside to that boxes. Okay, now one green panel is there. Do it yourself. आपको क्या करना है? Right click on various files in a computer and select properties option to know more about them. अगर आप लोगों को files के बारे में और जानकारी चाहिए, then you have to select that files, then you have to click your right click of your mouse and you have to, that menu will display, then in that you will select properties option. Understanding children about a file. Okay, file can be anything. File can be an image, okay, a audio file, a video file, a document file. Understanding. Now next point is folder. You can see that folders, in that pictures it shows folder, and folder के अंदर जो folder रहते हैं उनको कहते हैं सब folder, and सब folders के अंदर you will find some files, that are the files. Understanding? Okay, so a folder or directory stores file and other folders. Folders क्या करता है, उसके अंदर फाइल भी stores करता है और other folders भी सेव करता है. Okay, a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. जो folder के अंदर folder रहता है उसको कहते हैं subfolder. Understanding? Okay, so a folder within a folder it's called a subfolder. फोल्डर प्रोवाइड फॉलोइंग टू मेजर बेनिफिट्स. अभी ये फोल्डर हम लोगों को कौन से बेनिफिट्स देते हैं? दे हेल्प अस टू कीप सिमिलर टाइप्स ऑफ फाइल टुगेदर. मतलब आपके पूरे पिक्चर्स हैं तो वो सारे पिक्चर्स आप एक फोल्डर में सेव कर सकते हो और उसका आपका नाम दे सकते हो, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन कीप ऑल फाइल्स ऑफ योर स्कूल साइंस प्रोजेक्ट इन अ फोल्डर नेम साइंस प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल grade 4 is about to make a science project, right? तो वो सारे रोल नंबर वाइज आई कैन टेक अ कॉपी ऑफ दैट एंड आई कैन कीप इट इन अ वन फोल्डर, right? Same in a computer you can collect your projects and you can keep it in a one folder. You can give away the entire folder to give all the files in it to others. So this is about a folder. Okay, you can see in that pictures there are folders, right? Compumatrix, books 1, so these are the folders, right? और एक फोल्डर पे क्लिक करने के बाद you will get some other folders, you can call it सब फोल्डर. और जो सब फोल्डर में किसी एक फोल्डर पे क्लिक करने के बाद you will get some files. Okay, so folder can save subfolders, even files also. Understanding? Okay, now let us see about the next topic, that is computer window. You can see this is the icon of a computer, right? So whatever files or folders you store in your computer, they are accessible from the computer window. ठीक है, तो आप जो भी फाइल्स और फोल्डर आप आपके कंप्यूटर में स्टोर करोगे वो आप लोगों को फिर से मिलेंगे कंप्यूटर के आइकन पे क्लिक करने के बाद. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज टू एक्सेस एंड मैनेज द फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स स्टोर्ड इन वेरियस एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी डिवाइसेस. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपको फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स एक्सेस करने हैं, मतलब फिर से रिट्राइव करने हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू manage that files and folders again which you have stored in your memory devices, for example in a CD, DVD or in a pen drive, you can go to the start button, then search for the computer option. You can see here, right? And in it will display the storage, राइट अगर आप लोगों ने कोई पेन ड्राइव या फिर सीडी या फिर डीवीडी कनेक्ट किया है, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड यू कैन retrieve your file or your folder again. Okay, so to open the computer window, click on the start button, computer, or double click on the computer icon on the desktop. Okay, below that you will see one shortcut note is given for what, to open the computer window. Okay, to open the computer window, even you can follow that steps or else you can directly go through the shortcut key. So what is the shortcut key to open the computer window? Yes, that is Windows plus E. Understanding? Okay, now we'll move to the next, that is about the introduction of a computer window. You can see it shows with a red arrow, search box, address bar, right pan, drives, left pan or navigation pan. Okay, so what is written in a left or a navigation pan, where it is? Yes, it is here. So it is located on the left side of the computer window. ये आपको left side में मिलेगा. Here storage, ड्राइव्स एंड डायरेक्टरी ट्री कैन बी सीन. आप लोगों को वहाँ पे जो स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस या फिर डायरेक्टरी ट्री है, जैसे कि लोकल डिस्क सी, लोकल डिस्क डी, लोकल डिस्क ए, सो दैट कैन बी सीन इन दैट लेफ्ट साइड पैनल. So it contains the list of storage drive, for example hard disk and DVD drive, folders and subfolders that you have on the computer. It does not show list of the files. ठीक है, जो कंप्यूटर के डायरेक्टरीज रहते हैं वहाँ पे यू विल नॉट सी एनी नेम ऑफ अ फाइल्स और एनी लिस्ट ऑफ द फाइल्स, राइट? यू विल गेट इट इन अ particular folder or a file, right? What is about a right pan? So you can see about a right pan, it is located on the right side of the window and it shows the content of the folder which is selected at the left side. So right panel में क्या open होगा, जो भी आप left panel से open करोगे, select करोगे, that you will see in the left side of the, in the right side of the window screen. Okay, understanding? Homework I'll be sending. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.